Okay, Google, add bananas to my wonder list.
Okay, adding a task on Todoist, bananas.
So that was pretty weird, right? I said wonder list. Why did it do Todoist? That's a little hack that I came up with because watch what happens when you say, okay, Google, add a task to my Todoist.
Opening, Todoist.
Yeah, how useful is that? Not too useful. Okay, Google, add bananas to my Todoist.
Here are some results.
And that's useless. Okay, Google, let me talk to Todoist. And this is what it actually wants me to
Hello,
do.
what can I help you with?
Add bananas to my Todoist.
Your task has been added as my Todoist. What else can I help you with?
Add a new task, bananas.
Your task has been added as bananas. What else can I help you with?
That's all for now.
Okay, I will be here if you need anything.
So, pretty cumbersome, the real way that they have it work naturally, or that they came up with. So the workaround is to use a system called IFTTT, if this then that, and it allows you to build applets that will connect things like Gmail, Twitter, all kinds of different stuff. You can check it out on your own, but it's connected to weather, VoIP, Google Docs, a lot of stuff. So this is my applet for how to add a task on Todoist by Google Assistant, and I'll show you how I made it. So we're going to go to Create. We're going to add the if. So if my Google Assistant is triggered, and I'll say a phrase with a text ingredient. So there's a text that I want to use for my to-do. Now it's going to link up to my Google Assistant, my Google account. And for some reason, the first time it does this, it fails. And it just takes me to this other homepage. So just do it again. Maybe they'll fix this by the time you see this video. And now it'll ask for permission to allow IFTTT to hear my Google Voice commands or have access to them. So say a phrase with a text ingredient. My suggestion is add $ to my wonder list. It's just a really good unique identifier. If you have something else that works, go for it. But Todoist is a terrible unique identifier because it sounds way too much like to-do list. So in the response, the assistant should say, okay, adding a task on Todoist, $. And that's it. So if this, then that, we're going to add the then that part. Todoist. So it will create it in inbox. Text field is what the $ comes in as. And I'm just going to leave everything at default. All I want is a simple created new item and review. I think it should be called add task to Todoist by Google Assistant. And that's it. connected. So now we can test it out. Well, I mean, I'll disconnect the old one just to prove. Okay, Google, add blueberries to my wonder list.
Okay, adding a task on Todoist, blueberries.
You can see it shows up right here. So really nice workaround to quickly add things to your Todoist app. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this useful, and check out my other videos. Thanks, everybody. See you next time.